Do do do. Web Paint Customs. What are we gonna do today? Hey, I wonder where's my brother at. Brother! Whoa! What the fuck? Hey man, what are you doing? Swinging through on the chain, huh? How's everything going? Everything's good? Yeah, it's cool. I like that gear. Yeah. Web Paint Customs just made it. That's why it's so glittery. Oh, cool. Your drawings is pretty high too. Let me see it. That's pretty nice. Alright, I like that. Hey, Reek, what up, Reek? What up? What's going on, Reek? Reek, where you been, man? Yeah, what's up? How's it going, Reek? Just chilling. Hey, what's that, Gucci? Yeah, can't you see the color, dumbass? Hey, who are you talking to? You ain't gonna talk to me like that. I'll kick your ass right here and now. I'm not playing. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call my homeboy Doughboy. That's gonna pop a cap in your ass. How about that, you little bastard? Doughboy's not gonna do shit. I'll fuck Doughboy's ass up. Hold on. Hold on! You mess with the wrong bib! Mother bib! And you keep talking that bib! And I'm gonna bust your bib! Doughboy! Doughboy! I'm gonna pop a cap in somebody's ass out here if you keep talking shit! Yeah, and that's how we play out here, bitch! We don't fucking play around, you little motherfucker! And you keep on talking all that shit! Doughboy's gonna put a cap in your ass, dude! Are you serious? You can kiss my ass. Look at my hands. They're in my pocket. That means I don't give a fuck what you or fucking Doughboy's gonna do. This is bullshit. I'm out.